Down Palm with GoldStar ATM. We're going to go through how to pull a journal on a GenMega G2500. So you're going to want to go to the operator function, and then at that point you can enter your password. And then you're going to want to go to ATM operation, and then you're going to want to go to the journal function here, and then you can select a number of options to view your journal in a number of different ways, view different journals from all across the history of the ATM's transactions. And in this case, we're going to be going through how to print the journal manually. You can either do the newest transaction, search by date, all, or search by sequence number. In this case, we're going to do all, and then you can do a condensed print with less detailed information or a full print of all the detailed information. In that case, we're going to do a full print. And you can go through and find any specific journal you would need. And that's how to find your journals on a GenMega G2500.